Charlene White had been desperately attempting to conduct business as usual despite being on a packed train from London to Birmingham at the time. However, she was in for the ultimate embarrassing moment when a loss of signal meant her segment on Loose Women was suddenly cut short. But the ITV presenter and producer received some much-welcomed support from her Twitter followers. 1. @LuciLuluElastic, tweeted her to offer words of encouragement in the aftermath of the glitch. "Saw you on LW, Loose Women, on the train and just wanted to say have the best time," she wrote. "See, good things happen to good people, enjoy yourself, so never give those jealous weekend fools a second thought." She added the hashtag you make my mum smile. Charlene responded in view of over 62,000 followers to confirm she was gutted the signal failed. "The joys of attempting to do a video call on a train to Birmingham," she groaned. However, she added, "But I'll be co-presenting the ITV Evening News from ITV's Concert for Ukraine tonight from 18:30. Thankfully not on FaceTime." The discussion sparked off a series of welcome to Birmingham tweets from locals whose home city she had been heading to at the time of the mishap. Charlene has had a tense few days not just with the connectivity problem on Loose Women, but with fielding off complaints that she had profited from slavery. She discovered last year during an ITV documentary named Empire's Child that a distant relative, her 5 times great-grandfather, had been a slave owner. "All weekend a few folk with nout better to do were furiously tweeting to out me for profiting from the slave trade," she wrote in a tweet yesterday. "Why? 'Cause my slave ancestors birthed kids belonging to their slave owners. Kids who were born slaves." The aghast presenter added, "Is there a British education system complaints department?" Meanwhile, the Loose Women star had another shock in store when she learnt one of her favourite radio broadcasters, Eddie Mair, is about to retire. The LBC Drive Time host announced the news last week to his 125,000 followers, leaving Charlene to mourn the loss of someone she regarded as one of the best in the business. Charlene took to Twitter to make her feelings known, assuring him, "Your voice will be missed at Eddie Mair."